How does your browser turn a text file into the page you're looking at right now? Let's go from 0 to Pro. It starts the moment the first byte of HTML arrives. The browser can't wait for the whole file. It reads the HTML byte by byte and starts parsing immediately, converting tags into a tree of objects called the DOM, the Document Object Model. Every element, every piece of text becomes a node in that tree, but HTML rarely travels alone. When the parser hits a link tag for CSS, it fetches that style sheet and builds a second tree, the CSSOM or CSS Object Model. It represents every style rule and how they cascade and inherit down to each element. Here's the catch: CSS is render blocking. The browser won't paint a single pixel until it knows how things should look, because painting first and restyling a second later would mean an ugly flash of unstyled content. So HTML parsing and CSSOM building often race in parallel, but painting waits for both. JavaScript complicates things further. A plain script tag pauses HTML parsing completely. The browser has to stop, fetch the script if it's external, and run it, because that script might use document.write and change the page. That's why script tags are placed at the end of the body, or marked with async or defer. Async runs the script as soon as it's ready. Defer waits until parsing finishes, and neither one blocks the parser. Once the DOM and CSSOM both exist, the browser combines them into the render tree. This isn't just a merge. It only includes what's actually visible. Elements with display, none are left out entirely. Their styles were computed, but they never get a box on screen. Next comes layout, also called Reflow. The browser walks the render tree and calculates the exact size and position of every single box, in pixels, on your specific screen. Change the width of one element, and the browser may have to recalculate the geometry of everything around it. With geometry settled, it's time to paint. The browser fills in every visible pixel, text, colors, borders, shadows, images, onto layers, like painting separate sheets of glass stacked on top of each other. Those layers then get handed to the compositor, which assembles them into the final image using the GPU. This is why properties like transform and opacity are so fast to animate. The compositor can just restack existing layers, skipping layout and paint entirely. But animating something like width or top forces the browser back through layout, paint, and composite every single frame. So the full pipeline is parse HTML into the DOM, parse CSS into the CSSOM, combine them into a render tree, compute layout, paint the pixels, and composite the layers, with JavaScript able to jump in and restart the cycle at any point. Understand that pipeline and you understand exactly why your page feels fast or why it doesn't. That's rendering from 0 to Pro.